Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy Weld Money token on Trust Wallet and Uniswap. First, you're going to need to download the Trust Wallet app. Then I would recommend you download the Coin Market Cap app. After you have downloaded both apps and gone through the verification process on Trust Wallet, you're going to purchase some Ethereum. Keep in mind that the Ethereum that you're purchasing now, later on you're going to be swapping it for the Weld Money token. After you have done your purchase, you're going to go into the Coin Market Cap app, and from there you're going to search for Weld Money. You can see it right here. From here you'll be able to look on some analytics. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see Ethereum, you're going to tap on those two boxes. And once you have copied the address, you're going to go back into Trust Wallet, tap on the apps, then scroll down and select Uniswap Exchange. Once Uniswap Exchange loads up, you will see the Ethereum that you had purchased earlier, and you're going to tap on Select a Token. And in the search bar, you're going to paste the link you have just copied. Let me copy it again. I'll copy the link and tap on Select Token. And in the search bar, I'm going to paste the link I've just copied. Then I'm going to tap on Import and tap on Import again. And now I'll be able to swap the Ethereum for the Weld Money token. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.